Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. We have some great news. Canviiy had decided to give away 7 of their products to 10 lucky winners. Yes, this video is a giveaway. If you are a regular to this channel, you would know that Canviiy is a Black-owned business that we support over here. They have some great products for your hair, and now they have amazing product for washing and conditioning your hair. They even have a soap now. And what else they have? They have a total of 7 products in their line. So you'll be lucky to get all 7 of these products if you win the giveaway. Just make sure you participate. What's awesome about Canviiy's product is from the ScalpBliss to the soap, they are all made with organic ingredients. You can clearly read the ingredients in the back and you can read them. There's no weird name in the back when you read the ingredient list. You can read every single thing done with organic ingredients. That's a great thing. And you can find Canviiy's product, all 7 products, either straight from them, Canviiy.com, or from any CVS or Sally Beauty stores. Here's a quick look of all the 7 products that you will get. We have the ScalpBliss Growth Serum. We have the ScalpBliss Itch Calming. Like if your if your scalp is itching, you just apply this and the itch is gone instantly. We have the Scalp Balm, which is new. We have the shampoo and the conditioner and the soap. Nourish plus Calm Natural Cleansing Bar. Very great soap. Have I mentioned that Canviiy's product they didn't test none of them on animals, so no animal testing was done on none of these products. Great company, Black-owned. And here's are the rules, very easy to follow. Under this video, you're gonna leave a comment saying why you want the 7 products. You're gonna like this post and make sure you follow them on Instagram at Canviiy. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box. And here's the deadline to find out the winners. You need to follow them so you know whether you were picked or not. They are picking 10 winners.